Are you having trouble getting a good night's sleep no matter what you do? Or maybe you're dealing with this background hum of anxiety you just can't seem to get rid of. What if I told you those problems and others like low energy, muscle cramps, even migraines could all be traced back to a deficiency in one single mineral, a mineral that a huge portion of the population is seriously lacking? It's estimated that something like 60% of adults are not getting the daily recommended amount of magnesium. And what's crazy is that a true deficiency is almost never diagnosed. This isn't just a small gap in your nutrition. It's a silent epidemic that could be wrecking your health from the inside. But here's the good news. In most cases, it's a fixable problem, and you can start feeling the changes in as little as 2 weeks. Stick with me because we're going to break down the science behind this powerhouse mineral, and I'll show you what 14 days of proper magnesium intake can do to completely reboot your system. So what exactly is magnesium and why do we need it so badly? Think of magnesium as the spark of life. It's a cofactor in over 300 essential enzyme reactions in your body. 300! From creating energy, your cellular currency, ATP, to building proteins, maintaining strong bones, and regulating your heartbeat. Nearly every cell in your body needs it to work right. It's often called the original chill pill for its incredible calming effect on the nervous system. It's basically the brake pedal that keeps your mind and body from getting stuck in high gear. But if it's that crucial, why are so many people deficient? There are a couple of big reasons. First, our modern farming practices have stripped the soil of essential minerals. That means the vegetables you eat today have way less magnesium than they did 100 years ago. Second, look at the modern diet. It's full of processed foods that are stripped of magnesium. And third, this is a big one, chronic stress. Stress drains your magnesium reserves like crazy. This creates a terrible cycle. Low magnesium makes you feel more stressed, and then being stressed burns through your magnesium even faster. Because magnesium does so many things, the signs of a deficiency are all over the place and often get blamed on something else. So let's go through the top 5 red flags your body is sending you. Number 1, poor sleep and insomnia. This is one of the biggest and most common signs. Trouble falling asleep, waking up all night, or just never feeling rested? It could be a lack of magnesium. Magnesium is key for regulating the neurotransmitters that help you sleep, especially GABA, which has a calming effect on the brain. It also helps control your body's melatonin production, which runs your sleep-wake cycle. Without enough magnesium, your brain just won't shut off, leaving you staring at the ceiling. Number 2, anxiety and feeling stuck in overdrive. Remember the chill pill? Magnesium seriously impacts your mood and stress. It helps regulate your whole stress response system by managing stress hormones like cortisol. When your magnesium levels are low, your nervous system gets overexcited. You feel anxious, irritable, and on edge for what feels like no reason. If your fight or flight switch feels like it's permanently stuck in the on position, your body might be telling you it needs more magnesium. Number 3, muscle twitches, spasms, and cramps. This is a classic. That annoying eyelid twitch that won't go away, painful cough cramps in the middle of the night, that's your body screaming for magnesium. See, magnesium is essential for muscles to relax. It acts as a natural calcium blocker. When you're low on magnesium, too much calcium can get into the muscle cells, causing them to contract too much. That's what leads to those twitches, spasms, and cramps. Number 4, constant fatigue and low energy. If you're tired all the time, even when you think you're getting enough sleep, that's a huge sign. This mineral is directly involved in making energy at the cellular level. It's a key part of the reaction that turns food into ATP, the fuel that runs your cells. When you don't have enough magnesium, your cellular energy factories slow down. This leads to a deep, nagging fatigue that coffee just can't touch. Number 5, headaches and migraines. Research shows that people who get migraines often have lower levels of magnesium. A magnesium deficiency is tied to several things that can trigger headaches, like the release of certain neurotransmitters and blood vessel constriction in your brain. While more research is always being done, some studies have found that supplementing with magnesium can actually reduce the frequency of migraines for certain people. Okay, quick recap. If you're dealing with bad sleep, anxiety, muscle cramps, fatigue that never ends, or frequent headaches, it's not just in your head. These are real physical signs that your body is likely crying out for more of this master mineral. Now for the best part. How do we fix this? The good news is that restoring your magnesium is pretty straightforward. You have two main tools: diet and the right supplements. First, let's talk about food. The best way to get magnesium is always from a nutrient-dense diet. What should you eat? Leafy greens like spinach. Just a half cup of cooked spinach has around 78 milligrams of magnesium. Nuts and seeds are fantastic, especially pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, and almonds. A single ounce of pumpkin seeds has a massive 156 milligrams. Legumes like black beans and edamame. Avocados are another great source. And here's a fun one: dark chocolate. We're talking 70 to 85% cocoa, has about 64 milligrams in 1 ounce. But because of that soil depletion issue and our modern diets, it can be really tough to get enough magnesium from food alone. This is where a high-quality supplement can be a complete game changer. But listen, not all magnesium is created equal. The form you take really, really matters. Here are 3 of the best forms to look for. Magnesium glycinate. This form is attached to the amino acid glycine, which also has a calming effect on the brain. It's very well absorbed and gentle on your stomach, which makes it perfect for helping with sleep, anxiety, and muscle tension. This is my go-to recommendation for people who want those calming benefits without the laxative effect. Magnesium citrate. This is another form that absorbs well. It's bound to citric acid. It does have a mild laxative effect, which can actually be helpful if you struggle with constipation. Magnesium L-threonate. This one is very interesting. It's a newer form that has the unique ability to cross the blood-brain barrier. This makes it especially good for supporting brain health, memory, and overall cognitive function. For most adults, a daily dose of 300 to 400 milligrams from a supplement is a safe and effective range. I recommend taking it in the evening to really leverage its relaxing effects on your muscles and nervous system. Now, a quick warning. Taking too much magnesium, especially the cheap forms like magnesium oxide or high doses of citrate, can cause digestive upset and diarrhea. The upper limit from supplements is set at 350 milligrams per day for adults. And if you have any kind of kidney disease, you must talk to your doctor before taking any magnesium supplement. If you're finding this information valuable and you want to learn more about how to take real control of your health, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss our future videos. So what really happens when you finally give your body the magnesium it's been missing? Let's go through what a 14-day reboot could look like. During the first week, the changes are often subtle, but you'll notice them. A lot of people first report better sleep. You might find it's easier to drift off and you're not waking up as much during the night. Studies show sleep quality can improve within just 1 to 2 weeks of consistent use. That twitch in your eye might finally stop, and you might feel less tension in your neck and shoulders. That's the magnesium starting to relax your muscles and calm down your nervous system. By the second week, the benefits usually become much more obvious. You might wake up actually feeling refreshed. You'll likely have more stable energy through the day, without that 3 p.m. crash. That constant nagging anxiety can start to fade, and you'll feel more calm and resilient. You'll probably notice you're not reacting as strongly to everyday stress. That's a sign your body's stress response system is finally rebalancing. For a lot of people, this 2-week point is a wake-up call, where they realize just how much this simple mineral deficiency was affecting their entire life. So what's the bottom line? Magnesium is an absolutely critical mineral. A deficiency is incredibly common, and it shows up as poor sleep, anxiety, fatigue, and muscle cramps. But the solution is right there. By focusing on a diet full of real whole foods and using a high-quality, easily absorbed supplement like magnesium glycinate, you can fill up your tank and feel a huge shift in your health. You don't have to just accept feeling tired, anxious, and sore all the time as your normal. Your body has an amazing ability to heal itself. Sometimes all it needs are the right raw materials, and for so many people, that missing piece is magnesium. Give your body what it's begging for. You'll be amazed at how quickly it says thank you.